We're on a boat. Should we sing the Row Your Boat song? Yes, we should. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily. Oh no, our boat just hit something. What was that? Should I reach into the water and find out? Okay, I'm gonna put my hand in the water and try and see what the boat hit. Let's see. Ooh, the boat hit something fuzzy and white. Oh, I see it. It's a fuzzy white animal. Do you want to see? What do you think it is? Is it a little ram? Oh, what were you doing in the water? I don't know. Should we keep it or should we put it back in the water? We should keep it. I'll keep him right in my lap, right here for him to row with us. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is. We just hit another, I don't know what. Should we go check what it is? I think we should. Okay, let's go look. Oh, this is something, oh, I know what this is. It's something that we use in the sun for our eyes to protect them. What do you think that could be? Yes, sunglasses. I'm gonna put these on because it is pretty sunny out here. Perfect. Let's go rowing a little bit more. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Again? We hit something again? I'm gonna reach in one more time and try and figure out what we hit. Oh, this is something with wheels. Something with wheels that we drive. What do you think that is? You're right, it's a little car. We put our car back in the water or with us? You want to throw it back in? Okay, we'll throw it back in. Back in the water. Happy Tuesday.